Well, hello everybody and welcome to another episode of The Drive. It's a perfect time of the evening. The sun's gone down, you've had a couple of drinks and you want to listen to some music. So something a bit different for you. Here are my old 90s floor standing Bose & Wilkins 620Ds. Sorry, DM 620Ds. Now, I'll let you in to a little secret. I've had these speakers since 2008. I paid about £100 for them, and at the time I had a really old JVC CD player and a Technics Type A amplifier. I think that's what they call it. Yeah, Type A. So really good. I probably shouldn't have got rid of it. I do regret it. But anyway, my Bose & Wilkins are running off my Cambridge Audio CXN series, CXA series of separates. It works really good, and so yeah, let's just dive in and take a little bit closer look at these old school retro speakers. Right. So here we are. So this is my setup. I've got the Cambridge CXA 80, CXC and the CXN streamer. Streamer's absolutely fantastic. I hardly ever use the CD player anymore. So, but yeah, it's awesome. Good set. And so these are the old boys. These are the old Bose & Wilkins DM-620s. Really nice speaker. Quite unusual these days to have the 8-inch subwoofers, two of them, and then at the top you have this tweeter. It's going to be more than capable for most people. Sounds really good. And obviously I can only play you a selection of a couple of tracks because of the copyright thing on YouTube, but I think you'll get the idea of just how nice these speakers sound. One of my friends has got the 805 D3s. They are delicious speakers. They are absolutely fantastic, and these are not as good as them, but for 100 quid off eBay, I'll tell you what, they're hard to beat. So let me know what you think. Now I've just turned the speakers round, and as you can see, these are the DM-620s, and I've got them bi-wired, and yeah, just for a bit of extra bass really, and it does work. And I've got some analog balanced cables in the back of the hi-fi, which also gives it a bit more bass. I'll show you a picture of those now. Okay, here we go people. This is the back of my system here, and these were the lovely analog balancing cables that I bought. Actually my wife got them for a Christmas present. I know, how good is she? Some people might think it was a bit sad, but it was actually a very good present. Yeah, so that's the back, lots of wires, but yeah, these did definitely add more bass. So I should point out to you that the grills are not magnetic. They slot into these holes and by these little sticky out bits here. But these are well old and they've lasted really good. But there you go, that's what they look like together. Pretty imposing. And then up the top here, got some old records, and up the top here I've got the really nice Technics record player. Now from memory, these speakers are rated at about 150 watts, and the good thing about these is they're super bassy. So if you like bass, you're going to love it. Honestly, if you can find a pair of these on eBay for, I'd say, under 500 quid, you won't be disappointed, especially if you've got one of the old amplifiers. Right, here we go people. This is the DM-620 sounding, I wouldn't say at their best, but it's it's the only way I can do it without copyright problems. So here we go.
I know you told your friend you're not okay, and tell me what's wrong and why you never said you felt that way. Guess you're trying to stay strong and fake a smile until I look away. But I've known you too long, it hurts to watch your blue eyes fade to gray as you fade away, as you fade away.
Yeah, I'm about to fade away, cause every time I wake up I feel like it's Monday. Something's going wrong with all the chemicals up in my brain. All of a sudden I don't look at anything the same way. Gotta build up of my thoughts sitting in an ashtray. I'm sorry that I'm so inconvenient, okay? Just let me be me and I'll stay out of your way. I can see the way you look at me, I'm such a disgrace. I never really asked to be brought into this place. You wanna love me? Well then baby I have a taste. All the highs and the lows, no you'll never be the same. I don't really wanna hurt you but I can't control the pain. If you're thinking about my side, maybe we could be okay. Okay, maybe you could be the change I need today. I promise that I've never felt this way. I really hope that you'll choose to stay through all the pain.
I know you told your friend you're not okay, and tell me what's wrong and why you never said you felt that way. Guess you're trying to stay strong and fake a smile until I look away. But I've known you too long, it hurts to watch your blue eyes fade to gray as you fade away, as you fade away, as you fade away.
There you go, people. Hopefully that's come through well. This is on just a GoPro 10 with the media mod, so I'm not sure how good it's going to come out, but honestly it sounds really good. So I hope you've enjoyed the video. It's only a quickie. Thought I would share these classics with you. So remember, please subscribe, put loads of comments on the channel, and there'll be more content coming your way very soon.
Guess you're trying to stay strong and fake a smile until I look away. But I've known you too long, it hurts to watch your blue eyes fade to gray as you fade away, as you fade away.